Okay, so gonna make a horsefly trap. Gotta cut a 4x4 to 27 1/4 inches times 2. So I cut it to 27 3/8 instead of 27 1/4, and I notched it back 1 3/8 by about half. So that it sits in there, and in there. I can just put screws up and hold it in place. I notched this one a little less to give it a little bit more height. We'll just see which one works better. One will be deeper down in the tub, one will be a little bit further up. Now to paint them black. Okay, had some scrap plexiglass kicking around. I've drilled some holes in it. Just screw onto the 4x4s. It's 16 inches wide by 24.5 inches long. And I made 4 of them. Now I just need to screw them onto the 4x4s. And there we go. Plexiglass is screwed on to the board. See, there's that notch. This is one that's going to sit just a bit higher. And these tubs, by the way, I got from Canadian Tire. They're just a 70-liter tub. They're on sale right now for 15 bucks. So I'm building these in such a way that I don't ruin the tub, and I can use them as totes later on if I want to. There we go. I will now put screws through these holes from the back here into there, and it's done. Okay, well, here they are. I'm going to set that one up on a tire somewhere else, probably over there closer to the pond. Apparently they like water too, but poor horses are going crazy. Or maybe I'll just set them up both here and see, or one here, one over there somewhere, the other side of the fence where the horse and donkey are there. This poor girl's losing weight. All these horseflies harassing her. Yeah, so all I gotta do is put a little bit of apparently Dawn dish soap in here and fill it till it's almost touching the plexiglass. Is my understanding. And I gotta clean the plexiglass yet, but I think I'd get them filled, put the soap in there, and then clean them once I was done messing around with them. All right, that's it. I'll give you an update on how they work. Well, 2 days after I built those horsefly traps, the horseflies seem to have reduced in numbers, and that may be because I drained my pond over the weekend, so that maybe had an effect on the numbers, but I think I've caught maybe 5 or 10 flies in each trap. So I would not say that they are fantastic. Maybe I have them in a poor location. I will try different locations yet, but as of right now, I would not say that they're amazing, but at the same time, the number of flies has reduced dramatically since I put them up. And it's not that they're scaring them off. I think that I drained the pond and they've moved on or something. Not sure. It's just not as bad now with the horse flies. It's not as hot either. Maybe that has something to do with it as well. Maybe they like the heat. I don't know enough about horseflies to tell you what the cause of it is, but they have trapped some, but they're not phenomenal. I'm going to try a new location. I'm going to put some around the pond because I am refilling the pond now. So I might just move locations and see what that does, because they breed in the water. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope this was helpful. I may do an update in the future yet too, if all of a sudden it's like, wow, these things are working, or change locations and they're still not doing anything. I don't know. Time will tell. Thanks for watching.